Hello guys, welcome to KO Tutorials. So let's continue with the next part of this tutorial. So let's get started. So as you can see over here, we have started with the texturing of this particular exhibition stall over here. So let's continue it. So now what I'll be doing over here is I'll be assigning some texture to this couches. So let's go into the material editor. Let's take a Vray material. I'll just rename this over here as leather. I'll go into the diffuse bitmap and I'll assign a texture over here, a leather texture. So what I can do over here is I can just select this and I can give a UVW map modifier, and if you want to set it properly you can just set that perfectly. So you can set this in a proper way. So just assign a UVW map, perfectly fit it. So give a UVW map, set it as a box. Alright, after that I'll just select this part, I'll select this chair, I'll just ungroup it, select this part, go into the material and I'll give it a plastic material. So let's just take a eyedropper, I'll pick a color, I'll go into the reflection, I'll give a bit of reflection, I'll assign it, and now for this I can even assign a black metal material kind of. So I'll just name it as metal over here. I'll go into the reflective properties and go into this R glossiness, increase it, and let's just assign that. So we'll be doing this for all. So I'll just select this and I'll just ungroup it, select this, go into the material, now what we'll be doing over here is select this and we'll be assigning the same material or shader, assign that, select this, let's select the top part, give a V-Ray material and let's give it a glass shader, and I'll go into this refract, I'll give it a glass over here. So simultaneously I can just give it a chrome also over here. So I can go into the material, V-Ray material, can give and Fresnel reflections, Okay, so you can define it in this way. So I'll be assigning this same shader for all of this supportive poles over here. So just go into the material and assign that. Select this part. For that, we'll be assigning a white material, a color, sorry. So assign that. So the texturing is very basic over here. It's very simple. So we'll be just assigning the same leather texture. If you want, you can unwrap it also. I can just set this as a box. Select this. Give UVW map individually. So UVW map, give it to all individual elements. Set it as a box over here. After that, for this, the same way, just assign this. So now what I can do over here is like, I'll just delete this all. I'll select this. Just select this all. Okay. So after you have selected, I'll go to the top view over here and I'll just duplicate that. I'll just place it over here. So I'm not going to again texture that chairs, but instead of that, I'll just duplicate it and let's just mirror it. Make a copy of it in y-axis and set it over here. Alright, save your file. Now I'll just assign, I'll select this, I'll go to the polygons, go into material and I'll assign a Vray light material over here. So I'll take a Vray light material and I'll assign it. Control I, inverse. Again I'll take a Vray material and I'll just give a color to it. That's it. So once you have assigned this stuff, so what I'll do is like I'll just delete all of this. So we are not going to again create all this. So I'll just go on duplicating it. So I'll just shuffle this over here and delete that. Again duplicate it. Save your file. So just select this. So too much of lights. If you want, you can just select and delete that. So I'll go over here and I'll make a copy of it over here. So I'll just shift this. Alright, just delete this. Select this. Make a copy of it. Keep this over here. Alright, so guys, if any doubts, please put it in the comment section over here. So let's go to rendering, environment. I'll just see how it looks like. So guys, if any doubts, please put it in the comment section over here. So please like and subscribe my YouTube channel. So if you haven't subscribed yet, please do subscribe and stay tuned for more videos. So we'll continue the rest of the part in the coming tutorial. So we'll be definitely doing some lighting part also. So thanks for watching this tutorial.